We are back with Membership Monday at the Conway Chamber, and this week we've got a special guest, Patrina Bartell of the Horry-Georgetown Home Builders Association, with an exciting event that you know and love. Talk to us about the 43rd Annual Home Builders Association Home Show.
So we're excited about the home show this year. It's a little bit earlier than usual. So it's the first weekend in February. So it's going to be February 3rd, 4th, and 5th. And we'll run the hours of 10 to 6 on Friday and Saturday, and then 11 to 5 on Sunday. So as usual at our spring home show, we'll be having our charity auction, raising money for Grand Strand Humane Society. So the auction has, I think I got a leaf in my hair there. The auction has all kinds of great pet items, but it also has some outstanding home items from everywhere from your backyard. We have a chicken coop, a purple chicken coop donated. We have a wonderful big 60-inch chandelier. And then we also have just really unique pet items, anything that you can think of. People have come out and really donated some special things to raise some money for Grand Strand. People have visited the show before. You've probably seen our seminars. And so this year we have a person specializing in downsizing. So if you want to know what to get rid of to declutter your home, Smooth Transitions is going to be there, and she will help you, choose what to take and what not to take. And talking about trends, we have the Clemson Cooperative Extension is coming out, and they're going to be doing butter boards, which is the new trend in home entertaining. So we're going to have a little lesson in how to make your own herb butters, and we have other cooking demos.
But tell me too, what makes the home show so special to you?
Well, I think it's a group of people that are out there exhibiting. It's a mix of vendors and members and non-members as our vendors, and it's just a really good mix of people.